Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that keeps going turning off.
Fix 1. Check for smoke or cause. Step 1. Make sure there's no real smoke or carbon monoxide nearby. Step 2. If there is, evacuate and call emergency services immediately. Fix 2. Clean the alarm. Step 1. Remove the alarm from the wall or ceiling. Step 2. Use a vacuum or soft brush to clean dust and debris from the sensor. Step 3. Reattach the alarm and test it. Fix 3. Replace the battery. Step 1. Open the battery compartment. Step 2. Remove old batteries and insert new ones. Check polarity. Step 3. Close the compartment and press Test to ensure it works. Fix 4. Reset the alarm. Step 1. Press and hold the Test Reset button for 15 to 20 seconds. Step 2. Release and wait for the alarm to reset.